So, like, what time in your life do you really start to invest in a really good leather bag? I was contemplating that for a little bit because I figured like it's going to be really expensive. I was curious about the whole idea, and then I ended up finding a very good deal on the Portland leather bag. So, let me show you. This is the one that I ended up getting. This is the mini cross bag, not the full messenger size. It's a really good small size for a petite girl like myself. I got this for a really good deal through a resale page where somebody purchased it through the mystery not so perfect or almost perfect mystery gift, and I guess this is like an extra bag for them and they don't really want it, so they sell it off for a cheaper price. I'll go ahead and link the description below, but there's so many to choose from. I decided to go with this because black is so versatile and I love this style so much because it's very classic and timeless, and it's going to be my very first leather bag. Besides doing a review on this bag, I also want to share with you my research on the inserts that go inside this. So, as you may know, a lot of these bags, when you buy them, there's no inserts. It's literally just an empty bag on the inside. Right here, you have like a mini pocket, and I think, yeah. So it says Portland Leather Goods. There is an engraving here. It blends in, which I love because I hate wearing things that have a brand. This to me is such a classic look. There is a zipper one, but I kind of opt out of that. You can purchase this on the actual website under the Almost Perfect and get a pretty good deal, but it doesn't include the strap. Because I purchased this off of the resale website, everyone from what I've seen who are selling these bags included the strap, which is right here. The reason why it's a lot cheaper if this is the bundle that you want, if you go on the actual website, there's an additional fee to buying the strap and the bag and shipping and taxes. So you got to consider all of that. Anywho, I got this for like $75, which is a pretty good deal for my very first leather bag. Hopefully you can still hear me from here. Okay, so I'm going to show you pretty much the whole look of this bag. This is a black, not pebble, just a regular black. And yes, you'll see some imperfections here and there, but I think anything that ages through time is such a classic piece. Here it comes. These are the straps. And let's just say for the most part, like, this is great to have, but I'm not sure if I'm really going to be using it as much. I'll let you know if I do, but I'm just going to put this on the side. This is a little snap piece here. You can snap it in. And look, it's empty. Like, I know it's black, but it's literally nothing in here. What I did was I also did research on trying to find a good insert to put inside this bag. Originally, I decided on this and this. This is more like a canvas material. I'll also link this in the description so you can see. So anyone who is looking for inserts, you'll get a better idea on how it fits. So I've already tested out this one and I find that this one suits better for me. Now, this is what happens when I took out this canvas. Like, you can see a little bit of stains on here from the black leather, but it's not a big deal to me because I can wash this, I can use it and take it out and use it on multiple things, or just because it's so versatile, you can just switch bags from bag. Let me move this down. And I like the fact that I can, like, it actually stands and opens. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I like this more than I like this one because this one can also stand. It has a little like key thing here, and it has like the side. I wasn't sure how I feel about this one because if I put it in the bag what are the chances of it scratching the inside? I don't know. That was just my mental way of like processing what I prefer more. But inside they have zippers here, which is great. I guess in terms of material and how easily I'm going to be able to look inside my bag, this one wins because the fabric is not as stiff. It is very loose. It's like forgiving, and it's wide, so I can put my cup in here. I feel like I can stash a little bit more. Versus this one, you can actually zip it up, which makes it a bit smaller. It just seemed a bit more restricting. This does fit in here very well. It's basically gonna look like that. It fits. It is a little bit higher up to here, up to where the strap is right here. It is higher, which is great, but because like I said, I prefer the material, I don't find this to be the best choice for me, but I'll also link this. It does have pockets on the outside, which is great. This is like stretchy, has a key thing. So I'm gonna return this. I'm gonna keep this. You can see the difference. You see how when I put this in, the material is not as firm, where it will like fold in. This I can open and like see everything. And it also hits the same area also, which is right here. You can see that. It has a big pocket on the outside, one big pocket, and then two side ones here. And you can put your pencil, pen, knife, and then for me personally, I love using my fellow canteen. I will pop it in here with no problem. Okay, so I know some of you might be thinking like, what are the chances of me switching out the insert color to a black one to suit this? I don't think I'm actually going to do that because the bag itself is already black. So if I did buy a black insert, it's going to make it harder for me to really see what's inside my bag. But that's just me personally. I'm going to keep this color. I think it's perfect for what I'm looking for, but I hope that this helps anyone who is on the same journey with getting their very first leather bag, and after that finding the right insert to fit the bag. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.